Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, two food steamer brands will be going head to head. We have the Bella Food Steamer and the Cuisinart Digital Glass Steamer. A decent steamer is a terrific piece of kitchenware that every home chef should have on hand. Whether you're looking for a lighter way to make flaky, herb-infused fish or a fluffy homemade tamale. To help you choose the best product for your needs, we've gathered two of the best on our list and pitted them against each other in a one-on-one battle. In today's brand wars, the Bella Food Steamer will go one-on-one with the Cuisinart Digital Glass Steamer. Both these units have earned a 5-badge rating from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, so we're definitely in for an exciting ride. If you're interested in the other food steamers that we reviewed, do check out our food steamer review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these food steamers will be going toe-to-toe with would be their capacity. Before purchasing your food steamer and taking it home with you, you have to determine its cooking capacity. Most steamers come in 1 to 5 liter sizes, but some go up to more than 7 liters. The Bella Food Steamer features 2 separate steaming containers with a combined 7-liter capacity. It also features a 3-tier variant with a combined 9-liter capacity. This allows you to cook a full meal in one container and sides on the other, make it an extremely versatile option. On the other hand, the Cuisinart features a 5-liter capacity, making it large enough for medium to large families. Due to Bella having a larger and more versatile cooking space, they earn the first point in this match. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their ease of cleaning. A food steamer is generally easy to clean and maintain since no oils or other sauces are involved in the cooking process. For added convenience, we suggest going for a model with a dishwasher-safe pot and attachments. Bella allows easy cleanup since no oil, smoke, or mess is involved in the process. On top of that, the steam baskets, rice cup, 2 steaming containers, grain tray, and lid are all dishwasher-safe. Meanwhile, Cuisinart features a glass pot that's dishwasher-safe and easy to clean by hand. Looking at the overall design, both these units make cleaning look effortless. However, Cuisinart only features a single large glass pot, which makes it a lot simpler to clean compared to its more complex competitor. That being said, we'll be giving the win to Cuisinart in this round. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their filling capability and monitoring. You might find yourself needing to add water to the unit during the cooking process. That is why we recommend getting a steamer that features a water fill spout. This allows you to conveniently add water at any time during the steaming process without needing to open the pot. Bella features a water level indicator and an external water filler that allows effortless refill without you having to interrupt the steaming process. Cuisinart, on the other hand, will require you to lift off its water tank to refill the unit. In terms of how easy it is to fill the unit with water, Bella allows maximum ease of use while enabling you to check its water tank from its water level indicator. While Cuisinart doesn't actually need a water level indicator, due to its clear water tank, you still need to stop the entire steaming process to fill its tank with water. Bella has all the advantages in this category, which is why it scores the point in this round. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their pre-programmed settings. The best food steamers are equipped with pre-programmed modes and fast cooking times to make the cooking process as simple as possible. For that reason, we suggest getting a unit with pre-programmed settings to take the guesswork out of cooking. In this category, only Cuisinart features pre-programmed food settings, which allow you to cook seafood, poultry, grains, and vegetables. It also features a manual mode that gives you the freedom to cook your meals just the way you like them. With Cuisinart being the only steamer to feature pre-programmed settings, they win this round by default. The fifth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their timer. More often than not, a steamer features a timer that allows you to set the cooking time to suit your schedule better. On top of that, this also allows you to avoid overcooking your food. In this category, both steamers feature a 60-minute countdown timer, which is the maximum appropriate length of time for steaming any dish. With these two steamers being virtually identical in this category, our team has decided to end this round in a tie. The sixth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their size and weight. The size and weight of a steamer usually depend on its cooking capacity. That's why it would be best to get a unit that has a good size to capacity ratio while not being too hefty. Bella measures 11.61 by 8.94 by 11.73 inches and weighs 4.58 pounds. On the other hand, Cuisinart measures 13.74 by 13.23 by 9.37 inches and weighs 15.75 pounds. Given the weight and dimensions, Bella proves to be the more lightweight and compact option with a larger cooking capacity. That said, Bella undoubtedly wins the point in this round. It's finally time to decide the winner in today's brand wars. Cuisinart was able to garner a total of 3 points, with its main advantages being its pre-programmed settings and how easy it is to clean by hand. On the other hand, Bella was able to get ahead of the competition by a narrow margin of 1 point, being superior in portability, filling capability, and water monitoring, and food capacity. That said, Bella proves to be the undisputed queen of today's brand wars. But don't count out Cuisinart just yet. The brand remains one of the most well-known brands in the market, which has a lot to say about the quality of its products. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Bella Food Steamer and the Cuisinart Digital Class Steamer has finally ended. If you have any contenders for next food steamer face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.